checking out the Lincoln charging station, the knockoff of the Tesla station. Kind of crazy. Shut my car door. It's really cold out. And here it is. It is quite a bit like the Tesla station, only it's not a fast charger. This is a 32 amp, 208 volt station. And we're only here because my parents were looking at different cars. And of course, I still can't get them to switch to electric. But looking at it now, the charge handle locks in on the inside there. Saw some photos where it was on the outside, but this one's on the inside. There's a real nice blue glow to the outside of it when it's nighttime. Doesn't seem that lit up during the day though. Feel the drive. But yeah, this is the Ford's Tesla knockoff station. Gosh, remarkable. I actually had people call me telling me that the Lincoln dealership got supercharger, but just one. That's how confusing it is to some people. So yeah, we got been here about an hour, got about 18 miles charged in the car with no heat and a warm battery pack. Peak I was getting about 20 miles charge per hour. So let's hop in here. Considerably less now that I turned the heat on. With the heat on, we got 5. Shut the heat off. 16. Yeah, charge is up there. At least the battery pack's getting full. The battery pack's warm at about like 80 degrees in the pack, so the pack heater shouldn't be on. I did have my CAN bus plugged in a few minutes, adapter with TM Spy a few minutes ago. At least no voltage drop. That wasn't too bad. But with the heat on, with range mode on, it drops down to 0. Wow. 1, 2, oh, climbing back up. It's because my heat's taking up a lot of the charging power, which doesn't make sense, because with range mode I should only be at about 2 kilowatt. Maybe the battery pack heater didn't kick back in? Shouldn't have though. Supercharged earlier. If I turn heat on high, we'll start losing range. Well, that's it. Kind of neat. Wanted to see one of these in person, and now I have. Cable does not retract and is a little too long. It's in there. Now it'd be nice if the Tesla superchargers would lock in like that, instead of the cables falling down all the time, hitting cars and putting, it's a little salty right now, but there's a nice scratch across there because the supercharger wouldn't retain the cable. Got about 19 miles, I think it was. Not bad. It's expensive 19 miles if my parents end up buying a car here though. I might